Hi guys, Genevieve here, your service coordinator at Sephora Green Hills in Nashville, Tennessee. If you want to see how to create a glowy complexion that lasts all day, stay tuned. Now that my eye makeup's done, on a clean base, I'm starting out with a go-to, very useful face cream. The moisture and glow I get from this moisturizer makes this the perfect base for makeup. It's also a line that's free of any harsh chemicals, so it's non-pore clogging, great for sensitive skin. The moisture and glow I get from this moisturizer makes this the perfect base for makeup. I'm going in with the Squalane and Peptide Eye Gel from Biossance. I love this formula because it's hydrating, but doesn't mess with my eye makeup throughout the day. To prime my skin for makeup, I'm using the Vitamin Enriched Face Base from Bobbi Brown. This acts as a gripper, which helps keep my skincare in my skin and my foundation on top. I like that it keeps my glow while providing all-day hold. For complexion, I'm using the Lancome Skin Feels Good Hydrating Tint in shade 025. First, I pump this product onto the back of my hand, and then using the number 47 brush from Sephora collection, I'm sweeping a sheer layer all over the face. I love this formula because it plumps and hydrates my skin and never looks heavy or cakey. In areas that I don't need coverage, I sweep over, whereas areas that I do need coverage, I'm going to be pressing this product into the skin. For areas of my face that need a bit more coverage, I'm using the Born This Way Super Coverage Concealer in shade Nude. Since it's so full coverage, I'm putting a bit on the back of my hand so I can customize coverage in areas that actually need it with brush 71 from Sephora collection. I love that this concealer has great hold and coverage for all-day wear. I start out by applying the concealer by feeling for my orbital bone and then blending upwards from there so it doesn't interfere with my eyeshadow directly. After I'm done with the under eye area, I like to go into any other areas where I get extra redness or I need more coverage throughout the day that I don't get from the skin tint. I'm now going in with the number 47 brush I use for foundation and stippling the areas around the concealer. This will make for a seamless complexion instead of looking like two different products. Now I'm going in with the Hourglass Veil Translucent Setting Powders, and I'm using the number 12 brush from Sephora collection to place this powder in areas where I know my complexion comes off. I'm not dusting this all over because I want to keep my glow everywhere else. I love this powder formula because it's talc-free and provides a beautiful airbrushed finish. I'm going in with the Hourglass Luminous Light Powder, and I'm using the number 99 brush from Sephora collection to place this on the cheeks and the outer perimeters of the face to keep a really nice glow. This will allow the cheeks to look dewy while still getting the staying power of a powder. I'm going in with the Candleglow Sheer Perfecting Powder from Mercier in shade 5 to apply this to the cheekbones and outer perimeters of the face using the number 79 brush from Sephora collection. Using the Candleglow Perfecting Powder instead of a regular bronzer will allow us to keep a really nice glow so it looks dewy without drying out the product and also making it last so much longer. To bring a luminous flush to the cheeks, I'm applying the Bobbi Brown Highlighting Powder in shade Sunset Glow with the Sephora collection number 99 brush. I'm going into the highest point of the cheek and diffusing this luminous powder all over to create hold, glow, and color. Now I'm using shade Pink Glow and the Bobbi Brown Highlighting Powder on the highest points of the cheeks with a damp beauty blender. This will allow the cheekbones to pop without looking textured. I also like to pop a little on the Cupid's bow, chin, and a touch on the forehead. To seal in this look, I'm using the Airflash Radiance Mist Primer and Setting Spray. I love the light feel of the aerosol application and the light reflective properties of the formula itself. This will keep your complexion glowy and also make it last so much longer throughout the day. Thanks so much for watching, and if you liked this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and until next time, bye!